Good morning class. Today we perform the activity number 1. The aim of this activity is to verify that the relation R in the set L of all lines in plane defined by R is equals to L comma M, and L is perpendicular to M, is symmetric, neither reflexive nor transitive. Means relation R is that L is perpendicular to M, is symmetric, neither reflexive nor transitive. To perform this activity, we require two material required. What is the material required? A white paper, some piece of colorful threads or yarn approx 8, and glue, etc. How do we perform this activity? We take a white paper. Clear? We take a white paper and draw the some lines. These are some of the perpendicular to each other, some are the parallel to each other. That's it. These are the perpendiculars, and this line is parallel, and this line is parallel, and this line is perpendicular to this line. This types. Okay, na? Some of the lines are perpendicular and some of the lines are parallel. Now, second thing, we are place the piece of the thread, colorful threads on these lines this time. Okay? Clear? And name these lines L1, L2, L3, and that line is L4, and that line is L5. Clear? Now, this line is L6, this line is L8, and this line is L7. Clear? This types. Clear? L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, L8 and L7. Now we demonstrate. Now next topic is demonstrate. Demonstration means what we will do. That is L1 lines is perpendicular to L4 as well as L5. L1 lines is perpendicular L4 as well as L5. We see that. ठीक है ना? That is my observations कि L1 lines किसके perpendicular है? L4 के भी और L5 के. Clear? Similarly L2 is perpendicular L4 and as well as L5. And L3 also is perpendicular to L4 and also is L8. Now we write down this thing. L1 is perpendicular to L4 and L5. L2 is perpendicular L4 and L5. Similarly, L3 is perpendicular L4 and L5. Clear? Now, next observations. Next point. L7 is perpendicular to L8. L7, this line perpendicular to L6 and also L8. L7 is perpendicular L6 and L8. That is clear. Now we write down this कि L7 is perpendicular to L8 and L6. And we see that L4 and L5 are parallel. L4 and L5 is parallel. And L6 and L8 also parallel to each other. L6 and L8 also parallel to each other. Now we write down this observation also in the files. L4 is parallel to L5 and L6 is parallel to L8. And now L4, L1, L2 and L3 are also parallel to each other. L1, L2, L3 are also parallel to each other. Now we write down this observation also. L1, L2, L3 is parallel to each other. Now we prove this relation is R is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. What is the reflexive, symmetric and transitive? We know that relation R in set A is called reflexive if A comma A belongs to R. For every A is element of set A. And what is the symmetric? Symmetric is if A comma B belongs to R, then implies B comma A belongs to R. And transitive, if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C is belongs to R. That is basic three definition of reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Topic is observations. Now we check out that relation is reflexive or not reflexive. We see that this figure, no lines are perpendicular to itself. The no line, any one line perpendicular to itself. Suppose karo L1 lines is not perpendicular to L1. L2 lines is not perpendicular to L2. L1 lines is not perpendicular to L1. L2 lines is not perpendicular to L2. Means there are, observation is in figure, no lines is perpendicular to itself. So relation R L comma M, L is perpendicular to L, is not reflexive, is not reflexive. That is. Similarly, now we check this relation to the symmetric. तो सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन है या नहीं है उसके लिए चेक करेंगे. देन सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन क्या होता है? इफ A comma B is belongs to R, तो then B comma A is also belongs to R. Suppose we taking the line L1. L1 is perpendicular to L4. Is L4 is perpendicular to L1? Yes. Is L4 is perpendicular to L1. Means here in figure L1 is perpendicular to L4. So L4 is perpendicular to L1. Yes, it is perpendicular. Means L1 comma L4 is belongs to R. Then L4 comma L1 is also belongs to R. Okay. Similarly, L2 is perpendicular to L5. L2, this one line is perpendicular to L5. So that means, is L5 is perpendicular to L2? Yes, L5 is perpendicular to L2. Means L2 is perpendicular to L5. Is L5 is perpendicular to L2? Yes, it is perpendicular. Means for symmetric relation, L2 is perpendicular, L2 comma L5 is belongs to R. Then L5 comma L2 is also belongs to R. Now next example is L6 and L7. L6 and L7. L6, that is line. When L7 is this one line. L6 is perpendicular to L7. L6 is perpendicular to L7. Is L6 and L7 is perpendicular. Is L7 is perpendicular to L6? Yes, it is. L7 is also perpendicular to L6. Means L6 is perpendicular to L7. Is L7 is perpendicular to X6? Yes. Means L6 comma L7 is belongs to R. That is L7 comma L6 also belongs to R. Means the relation are in this example. जो हमने तीनों एग्जाम्पल लिए तो उसमें क्या कंक्लूजन निकला? The relation R is symmetric relation. The relation R is symmetric relations. Now we check out the relation R for transitive. Third point is transitive. ठीक? Third point is transitive. Now we taking the example L1. This one line. L1, L4 and L6. Sorry, L1, L4 and L2. Transitive relation क्या होता है? If A, B is belongs to R and B, C is also belongs to R, then A, C is also belongs to R होना चाहिए. चेक करते हैं मैं. L1 is perpendicular to L4. This one line L1 is perpendicular to L4 and L4 is perpendicular to L2. L4 is perpendicular to L2. Is L1 and L2 are perpendicular to each other? या फिर L1 is perpendicular to L2? No, that is parallel lines. ठीक? That's why this type of the relation is not transitive. क्या लिखा मैंने? L1 is perpendicular to L4 and L4 is perpendicular to L2. Is L1 L2 is perpendicular? No. These L1 and L2 are parallel. Means L1 comma L4 is belongs to R and L4 comma L2 is belongs to R, but L1 comma L2 is not belongs to R. That means this relation R, the relation R is not transitive. Is not transitive. तो क्या कंक्लूजन निकला? द रिलेशन आर, जो गिवन रिलेशन आर है, तो दैट इज सिमेट्रिक बट नॉट ट्रांजिटिव और नाइदर ट्रांजिटिव नॉर रिफ्लेक्सिव. दैट इज. तो एप्लीकेशन क्या है इसकी? द एक्टिविटी की एप्लीकेशन है. द एक्टिविटी कैन बी यूज टू चेक वेदर गिवन रिलेशन इज इक्विवेलेंट रिलेशन और नॉट. That is. Thank you, class.